want to ensure that we have a serious event that pulls the numbers, that markets Malindi in its totality. Its beauty, its the beautiful beaches, the beautiful culture, the warm people, the stories that we have as Africans, as Malindi people, and also to grow the talent. And one thing that I've realized here is Malindi has a budding film network of over 600 or so filmmakers here. You'll be shocked that the people have studios here that they actually produce short film. And so around 2015 I had this idea of trying to make Malindi the film capital of Africa. This place where we are right now, we want this to become the to host 2 days of art and photography exhibition, international art and photography exhibition. This is as you can see, it's very artistic in itself. I've just spoken to the owner, Armando Tanzini. He's in Italy. He's here in 10 days. He wants us to have a conversation. He's very excited about this idea. The plan, though, is to ensure that we do this in March. We do a dry run. We do a mock, if you like. We're working very closely with, like I said, the Kenya Film Classification Board. We want to do a dry run in March, a mock festival, and then we work towards the big one in December.